How to put text behind moving objects. To begin, I added a video and a text to my timeline, and I would like to put the text behind the building. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls panel and move the playhead at the start. Now expand the text and with the pen tool, create a mask around the object you want to put the text behind. Make sure to attach the last point to the first one. Now click on the inverted checkbox. Now we have it, but when I play the video, it is standing behind the building correctly, so we have to use keyframes and create masks as the video goes forward. So, move the playhead at the start and click on stopwatch next to mask path to create a starting keyframe. Now use the right arrow key to go forward one frame at a time and look in the preview, and the moment the text is not behind the object properly, click on the mask so it will be visible. Then use mask handles to change its form or drag it, and reposition it until the text is properly behind it. Do this process for entire video. If your mask is so precise, you can decrease the mask feather value. And now our text is behind the object. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.